Yeah? Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. So let's take that box step, walk side close, walk side close. So off of one side, I'll just have all that basic idea, what it is, what foot it is, what direction it is, what the timing is. And by that point, everybody can just stop and figure out the pattern. The footwork is in case there's something special going on, because otherwise it's standard. The turn, in case something special is going on. The notes, that's in case. And the follow through that I'm showing up there is that's what causes turn. So you don't really need to teach that or put it in. It's like styling. And I'm using a W to denote a whole foot action. So as you're stepping and turning, the driving steps cause the turn as the legs pass. And when done correctly, you can turn a great deal. So a lot of these half boxes can turn a great deal. And the natural opposite, there's no reason to double your work. Now phrasing and styling.